Okay, so one of the products we wanted to try out was Alien Magic Metal Pro, formulated for alloy wheels. Pretty simple to use. You literally spray it on, you wipe off the excess and move on to your next section. After 30 minutes it's 90% dry. You can put on a second coat. I did this last night, which you'll see in a video in a second. One of the reasons I wanted to try this out is I've just airbrushed my wheels. As you can see, there's a carbon fibre effect. I'll zoom in, and then on the inside of the wheel is a skull effect all the way around that I've airbrushed. Obviously I want to try keeping this as nice as possible and as easy to maintain as possible as well. So we're going to try this out and see what the results we get. Time for the second coat. Test number one. I have a Sharpie marker, normal permanent Sharpie marker, and a normal microfiber cloth. Nothing on it, no chemical whatsoever. So what we're going to do is we're going to write on the rim of this wheel and see how easy it comes off. Okay, you can see that quite clearly there. Okay, so the pen's on there. Right, let's take the cloth and see if it comes off. And it's gone. Not a mark left on it. Okay, so we saw that it worked on the metal rim. Okay, as you can see, that's totally clear. So now we're going to try it on a piece of just paint. Okay, Mad Life, as you can all see, it's written on there. Let's give it a quick wipe over, see if it comes off. And there it is. It's clear of the marks again. The inside of the wheel, that's all painted. We're going to try drawing on this and see if it comes off. Let's go. Okay. As you can probably see, mad. Okay, let's try wiping it off now, see if it comes off. Takes a little bit more effort to take it off of paint, it seems, but it has gone.
Thanks for watching our latest video. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button now. Also, feel free to follow us on Instagram. Addresses are scrolling across the bottom of the screen now. See you again soon as we continue with our mad life.